Just recording, got Paul Goody and
So what?
Brendan Van. How are you, Brendan?
Okay, Lucas. As I mentioned just earlier, I'm here in relation to just giving you the summons for the matter listed at court at Ballarat on the 25th of November. There's a copy of the brief of evidence there attached. The part of the process is I'm serving a Section 51 notice on you for this applicable offence. So you have to hand over your driver's licence, and your licence is immediately suspended until it goes to court on that date, and the magistrate will make a decision then. So that's your copy. So you can read that and use it for your solicitor, etc. But everything's on there. And you're going to take it, and we're going to put it on the ground.
I was just looking at the name there. It's in all capital letters.
So that's your surname. That's a police thing.
That's a that's a glossa, American Sign Language.
Am I putting this on the ground, or are you going to take it off then?
Well, I don't know. I don't really understand it.
Why take it and read it?
Why
are you being so difficult?
Mate.
Sorry?
You don't need to stick it in my face.
I'm going to put it over on the step for you. But as I said, there's a Section 51 notice attached. You're required by law to now hand over your driver's licence, please. Can you get that for me?
I don't know where it is, mate.
Well, where will it be?
I don't know.
When was the last time you had it?
I've lost it, mate. I don't know.
Okay, did you report it stolen?
No,
lost?
no.
Okay. When did you lose it?
Yesterday.
Okay. So what I need to do is, the notice is still valid, so you have to, when you find it, hand it in to Vic Rhodes or myself.
Right.
You understand
So what's...
that?
No, not really. I don't understand you, but why are you taking my licence? Or trying to take my licence?
Your licence is suspended
For what
because
reason?
you've been served with a charge and summons for failing to provide a preliminary breath test on the roadside a few weeks ago.
So you're taking away a substantive right based on an accusation before it's gone to court, is that right?
If that's the way you want to say it, I'm not going to stand here and argue the point with you. I'll ask you one last time, can you provide your driver's licence
Well, I don't know
now?
where it is, mate.
Okay, well the onus is on you, is to find it. If you don't find it, if it's lost, report it lost or stolen. Do you understand that?
I comprehend that.
Okay, so that's all I need to do today. So I've left that
Well,
for you
why
there.
did you bring two cop cars out to do it?
Because we work in separate locations.
Yeah, but why did you have to bring two
I just explained
people
it.
and two cops? Because you're from separate locations. What's that got to do with you bringing a summons here? Do you know a summons is brought in the name of the private individual? Do you know that? Do you know that? Section 9 of the Victoria Police Act says that you don't have any right to civil action. Now you're bringing a summary offence in the name of the private citizen. I can show you the law dictionary if you'd like to see it.
Okay, you can contest that in court.
Would you like to see it?
No, I don't. The 25th of November at Ballarat.
So you're ignoring the fact that you're participating in civil activities right now?
I'm not having this conversation. Goodbye.
Okay.
Lucas, just be mindful that you cannot drive a motor car as of now. I don't want you to get pulled over and get something.
According to who?
Sorry?
According to who?
According to the law.
No, well, which part of the law?
Well, just
Can
understand it.
Oh, see, what I don't understand is the fact that... Sorry, stop. Mr. Goody, I'm trying to ask you a question. I'm trying to ask you a question.